There is an old man over 80 years old, an advocate artist popularize abstract painting, integrate into public life. His name is Herxin. Art resume. Herxin was born on the 30th of March, 1940 in Dongmenli, Old Town, Tianjin, China, and now lives in Canada. Born into an intellectual family, he has loved art and creation since childhood. In his youth, he had published his works in newspapers and magazines. He studied at the oil painting department of Zhejiang Academy of Fine Arts, No. China Academy of Art, under the tutelage of Wang Chengai and Pan Zirao. Before retiring in 2000, he was an industrial design teacher, taught at the university for 20 years, published the book and 20 journal articles. He served as a director and deputy secretary general of the Chinese Society of Technical Aesthetics. After 2003, he lived in Canada. He created the oil paintings Love in the South Saskatchewan River and Portrait of Mo Fei. In his later years, after 70 years of tortuous artistic accumulation, he devoted himself to exploring the innovative path of abstract acrylic painting. Contemporary artists seriously study cutting-edge physics, quantum mechanics and superstring theory. He introduced his cognition, ideas and inspiration into art, and transformed them into visual communication elements, developing an original series of improvisational abstract works, thus developing abstract art innovation. After 20 years and 7 art stages, he completed a large-scale consciousness renewal and transformation action. Finally, he formed a personal style, artistic language and new visual elements based on unconscious and improvisational creation. A wonderful breakthrough led contemporary abstract painting from expressionism to symbolism. Herxin's abstract symbolism art has opened up a high-dimensional aesthetic perspective and skills, inherited the eternal spiritual goals and the mission of artistic spirit, and dedicatedly presented the public with a different transcendental scene. He completed a series of original works with contemporary real interests during the epidemic, including CX series, JX series, BX series, MS series, YH series and other selected works. His works are natural with color feeling, color heart, superstring space-time vibration and complex color reflection of fresh, lively, dynamic, transparent and floating rhythmic rhythm. Intuitively perceive the spiritual resonance of the viewer, participate in the shared visual experience, beauty and inner meaning, and explain to all parties that the abstract beauty of symbolism is the highest purpose and profound conceptual revelation of the sensual manifestation of the soul.